Hey friends, I had this picture in my mind today. Jesus is reaching out, wanting to talk to us. He's calling our phones. But instead of hearing his voice, all we get is a busy signal. And you know what? I think that's how it is for so many of us. Jesus is constantly calling, wanting to connect, and we somehow have disconnected the line on our end. Think about it. Life gets real crazy, right? We get caught up in work, family, worries, scrolling through our phones. All that noise, you guys, can be like picking up the phone and just dialing a different number by mistake. We're so busy. We're busy with so many other things that we don't even make time or space to hear Jesus' call. It's like he's there. His love, his invitation, they're all always there. Like that never-ending love that the Bible talks about. It says, I have loved you with a love that lasts forever. That's why I've been so patient with you. In Jeremiah chapter 31, verse 3. He's always reaching out with that kind of love, you guys. But sometimes we're the ones who've put our phones on silent. Or maybe we're even the ones who've accidentally just blocked his number. Or maybe even on purpose. We get so caught up in our own stuff that we don't realize that we're missing his call. And he's calling, and he's calling, and we're just avoiding it, ignoring it, or just blocked it. And maybe it's the weight of things that we've done wrong that makes us feel like we can't answer, like we're not worthy, like we're not enough, like we're not clean enough, like etc. But remember this. He says in Matthew 11:28, come to me, all of you who are tired and carrying heavy loads, and I will give you rest. He wants us to come to him no matter what, no matter the situation, no matter what it looks like. He wants us to come to him. That busy signal that we sometimes feel, it's not just Jesus hanging up on us. It's not that at all. It's often us being busy with other things, or our hearts feeling a bit distant, us getting discouraged, us focusing on something else. But my friends, he's always there. He's always ready to answer when we finally pick up. He's saying in James chapter 4, verse 8, get close to God and he will get close to you. Get close to God and he will get close to you. So if you're feeling that disconnect, as many of us are, as many of you are right now, I want you to know that Jesus is still calling you. Maybe it's time for us to hang up the other calls, put the distractions away, and intentionally and willingly just make space to hear his loving voice again. He's waiting with open arms and a heart full of grace, ready for the connection to be restored. Jesus is calling. Will you answer?